In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Steam account without email. If you've lost access to the email tied to your Steam account, don't worry. Steam has a built-in recovery flow that doesn't require you to log in first, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the official Steam support website at https://help.steampowered.com. This page is safe to use and doesn't require you to sign in, which is perfect when you can't access your account. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the genuine Steam domain to avoid phishing sites. On the support homepage, look for the option labeled Help, I Can't Sign In. Click that. This is the main entry point for account recovery, and it's designed to handle situations exactly like not having access to your email or your Steam Guard codes. Next, you'll be asked to choose a recovery option. Select I'm not receiving a Steam Guard code. This choice covers a range of scenarios where you can't get the code Steam normally sends, whether that's because you can't reach your email inbox or your code isn't coming through. Picking this option tells Steam you need alternative ways to verify your identity. From here, Steam will prompt you to search for your account. You'll see fields where you can enter details that help locate it. If you remember your account name, type it in carefully. Check for common typos or old usernames you might have used. If you don't remember it, that's okay. You can instead provide a previous email address you used on the account. Even if you can't access that inbox anymore, it still helps Steam find the right account. If your phone number was linked to the account, enter that as well. Use the full number, including your country code if the form requests it. Supplying any combination of these details increases the chances of a match. Take your time and provide the most accurate information you can. The goal here is simply to help Steam identify your account in their system. Once you submit the information, the page will guide you with on-screen instructions tailored to your situation. Keep an eye on any prompts that appear and follow them carefully. That's the core process. Go to Steam support, choose Help, I Can't Sign In, select I'm not receiving a Steam Guard code, and search for your account using your account name, a previous email, or a linked phone number. Stay patient, double-check what you enter, and you'll be on the right track to getting back in.